Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Easy Core YouTube channel. Yesterday in the previous video we learned about the basic gates, and today we will learn about the enable and disable input of these basic gates. So what is this enable and disable input? If so, let us understand what is enable first. Enable means if my output is changing to the input variable, then that is known as enable input. If my output is fixed with respect to of change in input, then my input is known as disable input. So output is changed with respect to change in input, that is enable. In disable it is output is fixed. Even though you change the input condition, the output will be fixed. So let us understand what is the enable and disable input of AND gate. So these two are the input variables, and this is the control input that we are having here. So first let us take C is equal to 0. So if I am taking C is equal to 0, A into B will be equal to into B into C equal to 0. Even though if I change any of the input, my output will be 0. So 0 is the disable input for AND gate. And if I am taking 1, then A into B into 1, that will be AB. So this is if I am changing in the input, then my output is also changed. So this will be the enable input of AND gate. Similarly, let us also learn it for OR gate as well. So here A, B and C, and this will be variable output Y. So if I am having C is equal to 0, then it will be A plus B plus 0. That will be A plus B. And let us also check for 1. If A plus B plus 1, we know that 1 plus anything will be 1. So answer will always be 1. So since 1 is giving and for any change in input, you will get only 1. So this will be the disable input of OR gate, and this will be enable, since there is change in output with respect to the change in input. So these are the enable and disable inputs of the basic gates. And NOT gate will not have any enable or disable, as it only has one input condition. So we will only have enable and disable input for basic gates only for and OR. And similarly we will have for arithmetic gates and universal gates as well. In next video we will learn about arithmetic gates, XOR, XNOR, and in that video only we will also learn about the enable and disable input as well. And after that video we will learn about the universal gates NAND and NOR. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.